Have you ever felt that there's a part of you lurking in the shadows, one that remains concealed, hindering your journey towards personal growth and fulfillment? Welcome to the realm of shadow work, a profound and transformative practice that can shine a light on these obscured aspects of your being and guide you towards personal growth, spiritual enlightenment, and a more fulfilling life. In the grand tapestry of human existence, we often find ourselves navigating the terrain of our conscious selves. We revel in our strengths, celebrate our achievements, and embrace our virtues. Yet, beneath the surface, beyond the glow of our conscious awareness, there exists an intricate web of thoughts, emotions, and experiences that are often pushed into the shadows. Before we can truly grasp the power of shadow work, it's crucial to recognize that every individual embodies a spectrum of qualities, ranging from the positive to the negative. Our psyche is a vast canvas, painted with both light and darkness, and shadow work is the intricate process of casting a light on the darker aspects of our personality. The interplay of light and shadow within our psyche is not a mere coincidence. It is a fundamental aspect of our human experience. Just as in nature, where light and shadow dance together to create depth and contrast, so do the contrasting elements of our inner world contribute to the complexity of our character. Shadows aren't merely random. They have roots and origins. They often stem from our upbringing, past experiences, and societal conditioning. These shadows may manifest as destructive behaviors, recurring patterns, self-doubt, or limiting beliefs factors that shackle us and prevent us from fully experiencing life's richness. As we delve into the recesses of our inner world, we discover that our shadows are not isolated fragments, but interconnected pieces of a larger puzzle. They are the echoes of past traumas, the whispers of unmet needs, and the residue of societal expectations. They are the unresolved emotions, the unhealed wounds, and the unspoken fears that shape our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. By embarking on the path of shadow work, we journey into the depths of our being, unveiling these hidden realms. This odyssey grants us profound insights into the roots that nourish our thoughts, emotions, and actions, providing us with the wisdom to navigate the intricate terrain of our inner world with newfound clarity. As we courageously shine a light on our shadows, we begin to understand that these concealed aspects of ourselves are not our enemies, but our teachers. They hold within them the lessons we need to learn, the wounds we need to heal, and the potential we need to unlock. By acknowledging our shadows, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-acceptance, a journey that can lead to profound transformation. Shadow work extends an invitation for us to embark on a voyage of profound self-acceptance and self-compassion. It implores us to acknowledge and embrace our shadows, thereby creating a sacred space for healing, growth, and personal transformation. The transformative process necessitates immense courage, vulnerability, and a steadfast willingness to dive deep into our innermost fears and wounds. As we wholeheartedly embrace our shadows, we emerge as active participants in our healing journey, facilitating the integration of these aspects into our conscious awareness. Through this integration, we attain heightened self-understanding and empowerment, an ability to confront life's challenges with newfound wisdom and grace. Identifying our shadows constitutes a pivotal step in the intricate dance of shadow work. This endeavor entails a journey of self-reflection, introspection, and the fearless confrontation of our inner demons. Maintaining a personal journal can serve as a valuable tool, providing an avenue to explore our thoughts, emotions, and recurring patterns. Furthermore, we must remain vigilant in identifying triggers, repetitive conflicts, or areas of discomfort in our lives. These elements often serve as guiding lights, illuminating the presence of shadows that strive to remain concealed. Seeking guidance from a therapist, counselor, or spiritual mentor can offer invaluable support and insights as we navigate the labyrinth of our inner world. Crucially, shadow work is not about obliterating our shadows entirely, rather, it's about integrating them into our conscious awareness. It's an acknowledgement that our shadows bear valuable lessons and insights and understanding that can lead to profound healing and transformation. This integration process fosters heightened self-awareness, self-acceptance, and the ability to make conscious choices rooted in authenticity. It empowers us to respond to life's challenges with grace, wisdom, and a profound understanding of the interconnectedness of all aspects of our being. As we traverse the terrain of shadow work and integrate our shadows, we unlock the hidden potential that resides within us. We reclaim the energy and essence that was once ensconced within the depths of our shadows, tapping into our creativity, passion, and personal power. Shadow work equips us to access and cultivate qualities such as compassion, resilience, and emotional intelligence. It ushers us onto the path of self-actualization, empowering us to live life more authentically and purposefully. Shadow work isn't a swift remedy or an effortless voyage, but it is an extraordinarily rewarding and transformative one. By engaging in this introspective practice, we can break free from the chains of our unconscious patterns and limiting beliefs, allowing our hidden potential to flourish. It's a journey that demands dedication, self-compassion, and an unyielding openness to explore the intricate tapestry of our being. Each stride on this voyage brings us closer to our authentic selves, unlocking the radiant essence that resides within us. Are you prepared to embark on the transformative journey of shadow work? It is an invitation to wholeheartedly embrace your shadows, unlock your hidden potential, and connect with the radiant essence that resides within you. Keep in mind that it is in the embrace of our shadows that we discover the key to our authentic selves, a key that unlocks the boundless possibilities that await us on our journey of personal growth, self-discovery, and spiritual enlightenment. Embrace your shadows, for they are the path to your authentic self, and the path to a more profound and fulfilling life awaits. In the grand orchestra of life, our shadows are the hidden notes that, when acknowledged and integrated, contribute to the symphony of our existence. They are not discordant tones to be silenced, but rather they add depth and richness to the music of our lives. As we embark on this journey of shadow work, we become both the composer and the conductor of our own healing symphony. We learn to listen to the whispers of our shadows, to hear the stories they long to tell. We allow their voices to rise and blend with the melodies of our strengths and virtues. Shadow work is not a solitary journey. It is a path walked by many seekers of self-discovery and authenticity. In the company of fellow travelers, we find support, understanding, and a shared commitment to growth. Together, we illuminate the path that leads us out of the shadows and into the radiant light of our true selves. We become beacons of transformation, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys of self-exploration and healing. As we delve into our shadows, we may encounter moments of pain, regret, and self-judgment. It is in these moments that the art of forgiveness becomes a vital companion on our journey. We learn to forgive ourselves for past mistakes and judgments, recognizing that they were born from a place of woundedness. In forgiving ourselves, we open the door to profound healing and self-compassion. Integration is the heart of shadow work, the alchemical process through which we become whole. As we embrace our shadows, we begin to notice a transformation, a shift in the way we relate to ourselves and the world around us. We no longer feel fragmented or divided. We are a unified whole. Our shadows become integral parts of our identity, contributing to our wisdom, compassion, and authenticity. In the culmination of our shadow work journey, we emerge as radiant beings. We are no longer bound by the limitations of our shadows, for we have transcended them through the power of self-awareness and self-acceptance. Our radiant selves shine forth, illuminating our path with clarity and purpose. We step into the world as authentic, empowered individuals, ready to embrace the full spectrum of human experience. Shadow work is not a destination, but an ever-evolving journey. It is a commitment to self-discovery and personal growth that continues throughout our lives. As we navigate the complexities of existence, our shadows may evolve and change. New layers may emerge, calling us to delve deeper into the recesses of our psyche. And with each exploration, we uncover more of our authentic selves and the boundless potential that resides within us. The culmination of our shadow work journey is a life transformation. We no longer shy away from our shadows. We embrace them as integral parts of our being. We are no longer held captive by past wounds or limiting beliefs. We have transcended them. Our relationships are infused with depth and authenticity. Our actions are guided by wisdom and compassion, and our inner world is a sanctuary of self-acceptance and self-love. Shadow work is a gift, an opportunity to embark on a profound journey of self-discovery, healing, and transformation. It is an invitation to embrace the fullness of who we are, shadows and all. As we travel this path, we not only heal ourselves, but also contribute to the healing of the collective psyche. We become beacons of authenticity, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys of self-exploration and healing. So, are you prepared to embark on the transformative journey of shadow work? It is an invitation to wholeheartedly embrace your shadows, unlock your hidden potential, and connect with the radiant essence that resides within you. Keep in mind that it is in the embrace of our shadows that we discover the key to our authentic selves, a key that unlocks the boundless possibilities that await us on our journey of personal growth, self-discovery, and spiritual enlightenment. Embrace your shadows, for they are the path to your authentic self, and the path to a more profound and fulfilling life awaits.